Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: does your earbuds Samsung Buds 2 support wireless charging? And if in front of me I have wireless charging station, and if we put it to the wireless charging station, we see the LED light on the front side, meaning that your earbuds are charging. But also we can use reverse wireless charging if your phone supports this technology. You need to go to the settings and in the search write battery share. At least on my phone in this way. Then click on it and enable this feature. And now I can put these headphones on my phone, and also we see that LED light. And my short answer is yes, these earbuds support wireless charging. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!